Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Clarke's Beach, a charming town nestled along the shores of Conception Bay in Newfoundland and Labrador. The early settlers, in 1857, primarily fishermen from nearby Berneed and Port de Grave, migrated here seeking space to cure their fish as the Labrador fishery gained prominence. Initially drawn by the abundant timber, these settlers later utilized the cleared land for agriculture, planting vegetables to sustain their families. Today, Clarke's Beach offers visitors a blend of historical sites and local charm. One such attraction is the Newfoundland Distillery Company, where guests can experience locally crafted spirits that capture the essence of Newfoundland. For those interested in exploring nearby areas, the Cupid's Legacy Center and the historic Brigas Tunnel provide deeper insights into the region's past.
Thank you very much.
Whether you're here to explore its history, enjoy local crafts, or simply take in the scenic coastal views, Clarke's Beach offers a warm and welcoming experience for all.
watching!